Bananas are one of the most consumed fruits globally, playing a crucial role in the industry and economy of many countries. Among them, Ecuador stands out as a leader in banana production and export, with over 7 million tons annually and exports to more than 120 countries. Let's explore what makes Ecuadorian bananas special in their journey from the fields to your table. In Ecuador, bananas are primarily grown in the coastal provinces of Los Rios, Guayas, and El Oro. These areas have ideal natural conditions with a tropical climate, fertile soil, and abundant water supply. These are the crucial factors that help banana plants thrive. Here, thousands of farmers have dedicated their lives to banana farming for generations, transforming fertile lands into vast banana fields. Farming bananas in Ecuador is a process that requires meticulous care and patience. The farmers here have accumulated knowledge over generations, starting with carefully selecting the best banana saplings. They know that producing high-quality bananas begins with nurturing the plant from a young age. Each banana plant is spaced correctly, with the soil tilled and enriched with organic fertilizer to ensure the plants receive adequate nutrients. The tropical rains here not only provide water, but also help the banana plants grow rapidly and healthily. When the banana plants begin to bloom, the farmers take extra care to protect them from pests. Each layer of the banana flower will develop into a bunch of bananas. This is a crucial stage where they face many challenges, from protecting the plants from pests to pruning unnecessary parts so that the plant can focus its nutrients on the fruit. Removing the unopened flower at the tip of the banana bunch helps concentrate nutrients for the bananas, allowing them to develop more evenly, grow larger, and improve in quality. This technique also helps prevent pests, keeps the banana bunch from becoming misshapen, and facilitates an easier harvesting process. Spraying pesticides using drones is a modern agricultural method that significantly assists farmers and provides high precision in protecting bananas from pests. Bagging bananas is done to protect the fruit while they are still green on the tree. This process plays an important role in ensuring the quality of the bananas at harvest and protecting them from harmful elements. Finally, after 9 to 12 months of continuous care, the harvest season arrives. This is when the banana fields become bustling with activity and emotion. For the farmers, each harvest season is a significant milestone, as their hard work and perseverance are rewarded with golden, plump bunches of bananas. Harvesting bananas is a task that requires skill and precision. Each bunch weighs around 50 to 60 kgs, and they must be cut carefully to avoid bruising the fruit. The farmers, with their calloused yet skillful hands, carefully cut each bunch from the plant and gently place it on their shoulders to transport it to the collection point. Seeing the golden bunches gleaming in the sunlight fills them with pride. This is the result of days of relentless work, sweat, and even tears. Bananas are not just a crop, they are a symbol of pride and the dedication of Ecuadorian farmers. But the work doesn't end here. The bananas must be transported immediately to the processing plant to ensure they remain fresh. At the plant, the processing of bananas begins. The bananas are washed to remove dirt and insects. Then each banana is meticulously inspected to ensure only those that meet the standards for size, color, and ripeness continue in the process. Those that don't make the cut are discarded to maintain the quality of the final product. The bananas are sorted by size and quality and then carefully packed into specialized cartons. This packing process not only ensures the bananas are well preserved, but also facilitates their transportation to distant international markets. Each shipment of bananas from Ecuador carries the hopes and pride of the farmers who grew and cared for them. Finally, the bananas that meet quality standards are packed and stored at a temperature of 13 to 30 grads to maintain their freshness during transit. Ecuador is the largest banana exporter in the world, with its bananas being shipped to over 120 countries. For the farmers, each exported banana is not just a product, but a source of pride. Welcome to the vast fields of the United States, where over 4 billion pounds of watermelons are harvested each year, making this country one of the world's top watermelon producers. From tiny seeds through the dedicated care of farmers, watermelons have become the symbol of summer, bringing joy and refreshment to millions of people around the world. Join us as we explore the miraculous journey of the watermelon, from seed to the ripe fruit on your table. It all starts with tiny seeds, carefully selected from the best watermelon varieties. In the United States, millions of these seeds will grow into healthy watermelon plants, ready for a bountiful harvest. In just a few days, from those tiny seeds, green shoots begin to emerge. This is a critical phase where watermelon plants need to be nurtured with care to ensure strong growth. But good seeds are just the beginning. The soil must be meticulously prepared. Across 130,000 acres of land, equivalent to over 100,000 football fields, farmers till the soil, making it loose and fertile. The soil needs to be just right, providing the roots with the perfect environment to grow strong. And then, the newly sprouted seedlings are planted into the soil, each carefully spaced to give them room to grow. With the help of modern machinery, each seedling is precisely placed into the pre-prepared furrows, saving the farmers both time and effort. Afterward, a thin layer of soil is gently applied, retaining moisture and protecting the young plants from environmental elements. Even though the planting process has become more efficient with technology, the farmers' meticulous care and dedication remain evident in every step. They don't just see seedlings, they see the promise of the upcoming harvest. Each seedling carries the farmer's hope, ready to take root and grow into vibrant watermelon plants, bearing the dream of a bountiful harvest. After 40-50 days from sowing, the watermelon plants begin to flower. The bright yellow blossoms signal the arrival of the first watermelons. This is the most critical period in the development process, where farmers must closely monitor and carefully adjust the amount of water and fertilizer. In the United States, a variety of watermelon types are grown, each offering unique characteristics in flavor, color, and size. Each forming watermelon brings us one step closer to the harvest season. After about 90–120 days from planting, the ripe, juicy watermelons are ready for harvest. With over 4 billion pounds harvested each year, the United States is not only one of the largest producers of watermelons in the world, but also the home of some of the finest watermelons. Farmers have developed special techniques to determine the perfect time to harvest. They lightly tap the rind, listening for that distinct sound. Only when the sound is deep and the rind is taut is the fruit ready to be picked. The harvest itself is a well-coordinated dance. Picture this. Once the watermelon is deemed ready, a farmer expertly slices it from the vine and with a quick, practiced motion, heaves it up into the air. Waiting on the back of a truck, another farmer with the skill of a seasoned outfielder catches it mid-air and places it gently in the truck bed. This back and forth continues as the truck slowly moves through the field, with each watermelon tossed and caught with the same precision and care. It's a lively and efficient process, filled with shouts of encouragement and laughter as the team works together to gather the fruits of their labor. Every harvested watermelon represents not just hard work, but also the camaraderie and deep love for farming that these farmers share. After being harvested, the ripe watermelons are transported to processing facilities. Here, they undergo rigorous quality checks to ensure the highest standards before being packaged and shipped nationwide and beyond. In just 2 to 5 days, these watermelons from the fields of the United States arrive on your table, bringing the fresh, sweet taste of summer. The US exports watermelons mainly to Canada and some markets in Europe and Asia, contributing significantly to the global watermelon supply. The future of the US watermelon industry is looking brighter. With technological advancements and sustainable farming practices, the United States is poised to increase both production and quality to meet the growing global demand. American scientists and farmers are continuously researching and developing new watermelon varieties, from seedless to thin-rind watermelons, to provide the best experience for consumers. The goal in the future is to maintain high standards and explore new markets, solidifying US watermelons as a symbol of quality and flavor. With each passing season, the US watermelon industry continues to rise, constantly innovating and expanding. From vast fields to the sweet watermelons on your table, this journey is not just the story of farmers, but also a symbol of progress and hope for the future. Enjoy a slice of watermelon, and you will taste not only the sweetness, but also the love and dedication in every fruit. Thank you for watching the video. What part impressed you the most? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting video. Thank you, and we wish you always enjoy delicious meals. See you in the next video.